Multiplying and dividing indices. Part 1. Simple simplification. What are indices? An indice is the small number that goes in the top right corner of another number. Examples are 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of minus 4, and 15 to the power of 4. It is called the power of. The way to work it out is the main number multiplied by itself the amount of times the power says. The rules of indices in mathematics. This means if there's a number to the power of something in the bracket and then outside the bracket there's another one, it's the main number and the power of is the two indices. This one is the indice minus the indice because it's dividing it, and this one it's just adding it. In this one it's just multiplying all three. Let's work out one together. 5 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 9 times 5 to the power 1. Step 1, because it's multiplication, on both sides add them together. Now it's 5 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power of 10. Now we have to take off 7 and 10. And that equals 5 to the power of minus 3. Because it's a negative indice, the fraction is 1 over 5 to the power of 3, which is 125 over 1 over 125. Next time you will be doing part 2, advanced simplification. And the next videos that are not a part of the series are sine cos tan part 2, the side lengths, sine cos tan part 3, three-dimensional sine cos tan, and sine cos tan part 4, which is algebra with sine cos tan. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.